Hello, everyone. My name is Karen Golden-Biddle, and I am Professor of Management and Organizations Emerita at Boston University's Questrom School of Business. For more information on me, please see my LinkedIn site and also the website on Questrom. I'm excited to teach this short course on discovery in Karma in June. It's been a while since we've been in person, and I'm really looking forward to working together. This course is complementary to the course that you might take earlier in the week, which is by Ann Smith, great course on coding. The two definitely go together. My course is going to ask us to explore together 3 questions. What is discovery? And really looking at discovery not as a result, but as a process, an inventive process that significantly strengthens our research. We're going to look first to explain that, to kind of look at that, what's discovery and how is that different from validation? And we're going to use articles that look at core elements of discovery, such as genuine doubt, surprise, iteration, and others. So that's the first part of it. The second question is, how do we cultivate discovery? How do researchers more generally cultivate discovery in their work? And how do we cultivate discovery? We're going to look at discovery across our research projects. So how do we cultivate it in our data collection? What practices can we use? What can we be on the lookout for? How can we cultivate discovery in our theorizing process? Coding, looking at how do we generate these new ideas and inventive sense about things in our coding of often massive amounts of data. And then we will look at it in our writing up process and the writing process. How do we create these opportunities for contribution in our work, which really is an inventive process where discovery is uniquely suited. I should mention that in each of these, we'll look at really how do we use discovery and how do we use validation, and how are these two partners, and how can we become adept at moving back and forth between them. And then finally, we're going to look at how will you integrate discovery in your work? In what ways does it make sense for you, given our exploration, how you might look at that? And we're going to analyze a short case. So we are going to do the coding, and we're all going to have the same data set to do that. We're going to look at a video of a lab, a natural science lab that incorporated discovery into their culture. Pretty cool. And then we're going to use a kind of general workbook that is suited for you, not for me to see or anyone else to see, but for you to jot notes and think about how you would integrate discovery. So you're going to see through the week that I feel strongly, passionately about discovery as an inventive process being so critical for our research. It really is key to strengthening our research of these complex dynamics and grand challenges we are called upon to examine with qualitative research these days. And discovery helps us rise to that occasion. So I look forward to us learning together during the week. And again, for the first time in 4 years, but this notion we're going to create a learning community. So I hope you join us, and I look forward to getting to know you during the week. And so take care and see you in June.